Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review video on a product that I am so excited to try. I literally got this product in the mail like over a week ago and I've been like wanting to try it so bad, but I've held out because I wanted to do like a first impressions video. And I actually saw this product on my Facebook feed. You know how sometimes you'll have like those advertisements pop up? And this was actually one of those advertisements, and it was this girl who was applying it and it looked so good in the video, and I was like, I need to try that. I need to review that for my subscribers. So I ended up going on their website and buying it. So as you guys can tell, I have no mascara on. I have all of my makeup on except for my mascara. So I'm gonna be trying this out to see if it looks as good in real life as it does on the video. Because the girl in the video, she had decent lashes, but as soon as she tried this on, like her lashes were super, super long. But the interesting thing about it is that they weren't clumpy and they weren't like spider leggy. And this is called the Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. And the cool thing about this that I really was like drawn to was the fact that it doesn't have that pre-step where you use the mascara with the fibers and then you put the regular mascara over the top, which those mascaras work. It's kind of like that unique mascara that came out like 2 or 3 years ago. I think I did a whole video on that a couple years ago. And that worked. It did make my lashes longer, but it also made my lashes look super clumpy and super, super spider leggy, especially if you overdid it. With this, it didn't have that step. And the girl in the video actually, it looked like her lashes were really, really separated, but also really long. Like it looked so much better than the other like lengthening mascaras that I've seen. So that's the basics about this mascara. I'm gonna put all the information like I always do right here so you guys can see like all the details, how much it costs, stuff like that. But yeah, let's go ahead and just try this and see how it works. So I am getting very, very close so you guys can really, really see how this works. So I decided not to do winged eyeliner because I wanted you guys to really see how the mascara looked. So this is what the mascara bottle looks like, and I have to say this is really, really high quality. It's very, very heavy. It feels like there's a ton of product in here unless it's just the packaging. It's like a metal kind of packaging. So it's very heavy, very high-end feeling. So this is what the wand looks like, as you guys can see. This is actually one of my favorite types of wands. It doesn't have the brush bristles, it actually has like the plastic bristles, which I really, really like in mascaras. This looks like it's gonna be awesome and really easy to apply. So I'm just going to curl my lashes really quick. Alright you guys, so here is what my eyelashes look like without the mascara on. They're decently long right now, I would say. You can see them when they're curled, but we're gonna see if they're gonna look like twice as long, because literally the girl in the video, when she applied it, her eyelashes looked twice as long as they actually were without mascara on. So let's give this a try. Okay. Look at that separation. That's amazing. That separation is out of control. Look at that. I might be sold already. I mean, I don't have perfect lashes as it is. You know, some people just have those really nice lashes naturally. Mine aren't perfect, but that separation is phenomenal. And yes, it did give me length. Like if you look, there is more length there than I would normally get with regular mascara. The separation is so much better than the, you know, extension mascaras with the fibers. This one, you can't even tell really that there's like extensions or whatever in it. I'm actually quite impressed. Let me go ahead and do the other eye. That works. That works. That is a lot longer than my eyelashes normally are. So I applied it to my lower lashes as well. I felt like it actually did pretty well on my lower lashes as well. My lower lashes are pretty short and sparse, but I am crazy obsessed with what it did to my upper eyelashes. Now I don't feel like I got the exact same, you know, final look as the girl in the video, but I definitely got some of what, you know, she had going on. Like I definitely got more length, I definitely got the separation, which I really, really love. There wasn't that extra annoying step of the fiber mascara, which I absolutely love about this because I hate that. And that is some length. I have to admit, that is definitely some length. Did it give me curl? Not necessarily, but I could always go back and curl my eyelashes once this dries. It might be something you kind of have to play around with and get better at applying, because this is, like I said, my first time applying it, but I think that once you kind of get used to it and how it applies and stuff like that, you might get a better result. But I will say with 100% honesty, like I said, I bought this product with my own money, this is not sponsored, that I do notice a huge difference as far as length goes. So I will let you guys know later on in the day, like how this looks, whether or not my eyelashes are curled, if they still look really long, or if I have any flaking going on my cheeks and stuff like that. But right now, I am really, really into this mascara. I think that it's definitely worth the price from what I can tell right now. I think that there is a pretty noticeable difference in my lashes using this versus just a regular mascara, and I think that it actually looks really, really fantastic. So I will let you guys know what I think in a few hours, but so far, I give this 2 thumbs up. Like, the separation is phenomenal for a extension mascara. Like, you don't get that separation normally in extension style mascaras. So I'm really excited about this, and I will let you guys know what I think in a few hours. Hey guys, so as you can tell, I look a little bit different from the beginning of this video, and it's because I did the update for that video that day, but I lost the footage. But I feel like this is probably almost better because I filmed that video like 2 weeks ago, and I've been using the mascara for probably 2 weeks since that video, so I feel like you're getting a better update anyways, so maybe this is a good thing, I don't know. So today I'm wearing the mascara. I've been wearing it every single day since I filmed that video, and I can say that I really like it. I love the mascara. I think it works really, really well. There's absolutely zero flaking whatsoever. Another thing that I really think is interesting about this mascara, and you guys have probably tried mascaras like this before, but when you remove the mascara, it actually comes off in like, it almost looks like you're taking off your eyelashes in a way. But the interesting thing about this mascara is it doesn't come off very well with coconut oil. The only way this mascara comes off well, in my opinion, is water. So you don't want to wear this mascara in the water. It is not waterproof at all. But basically what I do is I just cleanse my face, and then I rinse my face with water, and then I let the water just kind of like eat the mascara away for a little bit, and then you can literally just take your fingers and just like pull the mascara off, and it looks like you have your eyelashes like in your fingers. And then usually after I do that, I will take just coconut oil, I will rub it on my eyes, and then take a cotton round with a little bit of water on it, and I will just take the coconut oil off, and everything is gone. It's really easy to do. Also, another thing I wanted to say too is this mascara does definitely create length. Like, you are gonna get the extra length because it is a fiber mascara. Like, there is fibers in the mascara. However, the video that I watched on Facebook, one thing I'm starting to realize is the girl in that video was blonde. Like, she looked like she had like a natural blonde, kind of like, you know, sandy colored hair. And so her eyelashes didn't look super duper duper long. And so when she put the mascara on, it was like, oh my gosh, like that's crazy. Like, they're so long now. But I think the issue with that video was because she was a natural blonde, the tips of her eyelashes were probably very, very blonde, so you couldn't really tell in the video how long her natural lashes actually were. They were longer than they looked. And so when she put the black mascara on, it looked like her eyelashes doubled in length, but I don't think that that was necessarily the case, and I don't think that my eyelashes are necessarily like doubling in length. You are getting a little extra length, but it's not like an insane amount that you're seeing in like those Facebook videos, if you know what I mean. So keep that in mind. I don't want you to be fooled by those videos, but it definitely does help a little bit. So if you are looking for a little bit extra length, I would definitely recommend it. Would I buy this mascara again? I'm not sure. It is a little bit more of an expensive mascara, and so what I think I'm gonna do is use it all up, just like I've been doing every single day, and then I'm gonna go back to a regular mascara, and I'm gonna see kind of the differences between them again. Like, I'm just gonna kind of flip-flop, and if I go back to an old mascara and I'm like, wow, like, I miss the Thrive mascara, then I'll go back and buy another tube, but who knows, I might not, but I do think that it definitely does help with length. So I hope this video was kind of helpful. I hope you guys got some, you know, information on this mascara if you've been interested in buying it for a while, but you just aren't too sure. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.